MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
We've arrived at HellermannTyton, which is based in Manchester. I'm here with Kevin. Kevin, could you explain what you do here and obviously what machines you have?
Yes, as you've just said, I'm Kevin Young. I'm the touring manager here at HellermannTyton in Manchester. We're part of a global company, so we're not just a touring that manufactures for the UK. We also facilitate the needs of group, so that can be Brazil, South Africa, America, China and Singapore. And
predominantly, what do you actually produce here?
We are actually cable ties and cable management tooling within Manchester. We produce 80 million pieces a week, which is manufactured for Europe. So we're not just a UK manufacturer, we supply into the rest of Europe and other companies globally.
And what type of sectors do you serve?
Automotive, rail, aerospace, all elements of blue chip really. Wherever you think a cable tie needs to go, then HellermannTyton will put it there.
Big question, you've got 3 SODICs in the background there. Could you tell me why you've invested in those type of machines?
Yes, predominantly the main function of the department was the service, maintenance and repair of existing tooling. We've got in excess of 70 production lines on site, so the main drain on resource was servicing production. The realisation was that we've got the skill set of, we've got 15 tool makers here, fully qualified skilled tool makers who have the ability to manufacture new tooling. The group globally is crying out for new tooling, and we looked at where we needed to invest, and one of the major bottlenecks within this department was the spark erosion and the wire erosion. By design, our tooling is heavily reliant on EDM.
So with regards to SODIC, could you tell me why you've actually opted for their solution?
We looked at all various manufacturers of EDM machines. Each and every one was given the opportunity to do a test cut. The main thing with HellermannTyton products is the definition is so critical. The attention to detail and the definition and everything that we get. 20 microns, believe it or not, is the difference between a cable tie failing and a cable tie being acceptable. The power ratio in terms of definition, we found that SODIC was best fit, and it ticks all the boxes for us in that respect.
So they actually saved money for you as well?
Yeah, when we initially decided to go with SODIC, we very much did a justification on we potentially see a 30% saving, on times that jobs were being taken to do to increase the throughput of the department. In realisation, we've actually probably achieved more than that. So it's more than surpassed our expectations. The machines were very much bought at the time to sort of fit in with what we were doing. We've soon come to realise 12 months further on that actually we're now having to have to fit in with the machines. We've totally changed the way we process work through the department. My guys have changed how they were taught how to do elements of tool making, so it sort of flip-sided itself to some degree now.
And what type of backup do you get from SODI Tech UK?
Backup is superb. We have had a couple of glitches which you'd expect in a bedding-in process with a new machine. Within 24 hours we've either had service over the phone or we've had an engineer on site, so I have no complaints in that respect.
Thanks Kevin, nice to meet you.
Thank you ever so much, cheers.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.